Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about strings in C. So first you need to know the difference between character and string. So character means it is used to store one single character. Okay, so like A, like B, C and ampersand. Okay, so like this the character is used to store only single character in single quotation. Okay, that is character. String is nothing but collection of characters enclosed in double quotations and stored in sequence of memory locations. Okay, so characters are used to store in different memory locations, but strings are used to store in continuous memory location. Okay, so for example, if you represent char C, so here C is a variable which is character data type. So I am storing a value that is A in C. Okay, so first whenever you declare, the memory is allocated for C variable and in that memory location A is stored. Okay, next I am declaring one more variable char D and I am storing in D variable B. Okay, so in another memory location B will be stored, but this is not continuous memory location. So here A is stored in 2000, suppose 2000 memory location, and B is stored some 4001. Okay, so here memory is not continuous in case of characters, but strings are used to store in a continuous memory locations. Okay, so for example, char C of 20. Okay, so here I am declaring one string. Okay, so here it is also a character, but the size of this character is 20 memory locations. All these memory locations are allocated continuously. Okay, so in these memory locations I am storing is equals to college. Okay, so college in double quotations because strings are used to represent in double quotations. So here COLLEGE. So college is stored in the memory locations continuously. So that is the difference between character and string. Okay, so next, string is known as character array. Every string constant is terminated with a special character and a null character it is represented as 0. Okay, so the ending indication of string is 0. Okay, so terminated with a special character, that is 0. Okay, strings can be classified into two types. Those are declaring a string, initializing a string. So I already said that declaration is nothing but memory allocation and initialization is nothing but storing values into the memory locations. Okay, let's see how to declare strings. So here declaration is nothing but memory allocation. The syntax for declaring a string is nothing but data type, string name of size. So what is the declaration for array? Data type, array name and size. So this is array declaration and this is string declaration. So here the syntax is difference in the name of string name. So there you give array name and here string name. So whatever the rules for identifiers that are also applicable for string name. So those rules are the string name should not start with a digit. Okay, so the string name does not contain any blank spaces. String name should not be a keyword. All these are the rules for naming a string name. Okay, so let's see the example here. Data type is char, string name is name and size is 10. Whenever you declare, the memory is allocated like this. Okay, already said that index values are started with 0 to n minus 1, that is 9. Okay, so here the name is string name is name. So in this way memory is allocated. Okay, so for normal variables, so here I am declaring two character variables, those are A and B. Okay, now tell me how the memory is allocated. So for normal character variables, memory is not allocated continuously. So memory allocated like this way. So here the address of memory is 2001 and this is for A, for B 4002, like this. So here memory is not continuous because the address of this memory location is 2001 and this memory location is 4002. Okay, but here the memory location is 100, 101, 102, 103, like this. The memory is allocated continuously. Okay, that is the difference between character and string. Okay, so next one is initialization. While declaring, the memory is allocated for variables, means elements. So if you want to store elements into the memory locations, then you need to initialize. Okay, so the general form of initializing group of characters or string. So group of characters is nothing but a string. So here data type string name of size is equals to value. Okay, so whatever the value. So here the data type is char, string name is name, size is 10. Okay, and I am storing student, STU, student. So in this way the values are allocated into the memory locations. Okay, clear? Let's see one example. So here the example program. So in this program you can easily identify what is the difference between character and string. Okay, so these are two header files, hash include stdio.h, hash include string.h. Okay, string.h is a header file which contains predefined statements about the strings. Okay, next this is the main function. Main function is used to indicate starting of the program. Next, char ch of 11. So what is here ch? What is ch? Ch is a string name. Okay, and 11 is the size. So 11 memory locations are allocated and the name of string is ch. Okay, so here everything is one character. So C is one character, O is one character, L, E, G, E is all are characters. So I already said that the string terminated. So for ending indication, string ending indication, we use 0. Okay, 0 is used to indicate ending of the string. Okay, so C, O, L, E, G, E. So the elements are stored in this way in ch. Next I am declaring one more string variable, that is char ch2. Okay, so and the memory size of these is 11 and I am storing one string variable, one string. Okay, so string is represented in double quotations. Characters are represented in single quotations. So COLLEG, like this the elements are stored. Okay, so next if you want to display the data into the memory locations, then you need to use printf. Printf statement is used to print the data, display the data. Okay, so char array value is %s. Why we are using %s? Because this is string data type. Okay, for string data type you need to use %s. For integer data type you need to use %d. For character data type %c. Okay, like this. First you are displaying ch value. So what is the ch values? COLLEG, college. Next you are printing string literal values, %s, ch2. Okay, so these college will be displayed. So now tell me, is there any difference between these college and this college? No. So you can store by characters or one string word. Okay, so here first I am storing like characters. So C is one character, O is one character, that's why I am representing in single quotations. Okay. In next memory locations, I am declaring one word in double quotations, that means string. Okay. So there is no difference because collection of characters is known as string. Okay. So you can represent this way or you can store in this way also. Okay. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.